Ever felt lost in digital marketing? Scratching your head, watching loads of tutorials but don't know where to start? You're not alone. And that's precisely why we created Ignite, the 8-week digital growth program. By the end of this, you'll go from clueless to client-ready without the overwhelm. Here's what makes Ignite different. It's not just theory. It's hands-on, real training, real results. Over 8 weeks, you'll build your digital foundation, SEO, SEM, email, social, the works. Craft a standout personal, business brand on LinkedIn, Google, and Instagram. Nail content strategy that actually converts. Launch ads that work, not just vanity metrics. Create high-converting funnels and landing pages using free tools. Automate lead work with WhatsApp and email flows. Use analytics to track and scale. And by week 8, you'll have a full client attraction system in your hands. Ignite isn't just another course. You get live training 15 sessions at 90 mins each. Hands-on projects and templates so you actually build while you learn. 3 months of mentorship and feedback. You're not on your own. Lifetime access to a private community because marketing can get lonely fast. Meet your coach, S. Vijay Kumar, a digital marketer with over 12 years of real-world experience. You're getting over 50 zero worth of training value for just 6 0. Ready to start your digital marketing journey? Let's Ignite it together. It's time to quit feeling stuck. In just 8 weeks, with real training and support, you'll be marketing ready. Let's go from watching to doing. Your journey begins now.